How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get digital creator on your Facebook profile. So as you can see here on my Facebook profile, it currently says digital creator. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like because that really helps me out. So to get started with changing our Facebook profile to digital creator, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone, then just select your profile icon next to what's on your mind. This will bring us to our Facebook profile. And from here, all we need to do is select the three horizontal dots next to Edit Profile, scroll down, and then select Turn on Professional Mode. Once you go through here, it'll give you information about how you can get paid for your content, things like that. Select Turn On. And then we have some steps for turning on posts so that your audience can see them to the public. Select Continue. Then you can finish setting up professional mode within your account, or you can simply select back. This will bring you back to your profile, and after refreshing it, you should see digital creator under your name. All right, so that's how you become a digital creator on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.